Hello traders, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. So in this review, I am taking a look at Circuit EA for MT4, and I'll be going through the MQL5 Marketplace page, breaking down the available information, and then reviewing the historical testing results to understand how this expert advisor is designed to operate in real market conditions. Starting here on the Marketplace page, Circuit EA is an MT4 expert advisor developed by Alexander Chetnik. One important detail right away is that this EA is currently available for free. Okay, and the version listed here is version 1.0. Looking at the description, the developer explains that Circuit EA uses an arbitrage-style system for entering trades in both directions of the market. Now, the EA also includes a built-in filter engine designed to help determine when trades should be triggered. From what is shown on the page, another key point is that all trades are managed using fixed stop loss and take profit levels. All right, this means each position has predefined exit levels, which helps structure trade management around risk and reward boundaries. The developer also clearly states that the EA does not use greed trading or martingale strategies. That's an important distinction because it gives a clearer idea of the overall trading structure being used. Another notable detail is that the EA is designed to operate only once per bar opening. So instead of reacting continuously within a candle, it processes decisions at the start of each new bar, which gives it a more structured execution rhythm. Moving further, the EA is also described as being compatible with high spread conditions. All right. And it can be tested and optimized using control point or open price modeling in strategy tester. In strategy testing. So that suggests it is designed to work efficiently even under simplified testing models. The developer also mentions that the system was developed and optimized on specific broker environments, including Vantage markets, and IFC markets, which gives some context about where it has been historically tested. All right, so now moving into the feature breakdown, the arbitrage style entry approach means the EA is essentially looking for directional inefficiencies where price movement can be captured in either direction depending on conditions. Okay, and the built-in filter engine is responsible for refining those entry conditions, so trades are only triggered when the system's internal criteria are met. The fixed stop loss and take profit structure adds a controlled risk model to each trade, meaning outcomes are predefined from the moment a position is opened. This is important because it removes dynamic trade management and keeps execution consistent. So now let us move into the backtesting section and review how the EA behaves historically. Before that, it is worth noting there are no specific recommended currency pairs or time frames clearly stated on the page. All right, so the testing is typically evaluated in a more general context. Okay, let's start by looking at the strategy tester reports provided here, and I can see that from an initial deposit of $300, total net profit was $476.03. The testing period was from 4th January 2010 to 12th July 2024. Okay, so I can see that total trades taken were 170, out of which 132 were profitable, giving us a 77.65% win rate. Okay. All right. So now let's also see what we have here. This is for GBP USD. Okay. Total net profit 494.54. win rate 83.16%. This is for XAU USD. 713.39 profit, 42.31% win rate. Okay, the gold's win rate seems to be lower. All right, and let's head over to our strategy tester. Let's see how this EA performed over the past 3 months. So we're testing the circuit EA on GBP USD on the H1 time frame, and I'm using the every tick modeling. So looking at the report, I can see that from an initial deposit of $10,000, the total net profit was negative 5.88, and the total trades taken were just 2, out of which one was profitable, giving us a 50% win rate. But actually, this is insufficient data. This is insufficient data, right? So I will recommend testing over a longer period of time, so that you can be able to capture a wider range of market conditions. Okay, when reviewing historical backtest results, it's important to focus on how the EA behaves across different market phases and not just looking at the final performance numbers of the backtesting, because historical testing gives us insight into execution consistency, trade frequency, and how the system responds to changing volatility. Now I'm going to turn on the visual so that we can see this EA in action. All right, and also review the historical chart activity. So when reviewing, as I go through the chart history, I am observing how trades are distributed across candles, especially since the EA only operates once per bar opening, and that creates a more structured pattern of entries compared to tick-based systems. I'm also paying attention to how the fixed stop loss and take profit levels interact with market movements during the test period. So this helps give context on how trades were resolved within predefined boundaries rather than being actively managed. All right. So one thing I always recommend is running longer term testing yourself as well, so that you can get a more comprehensive understanding of how the EA behaves across different market conditions. Extended testing can reveal how stable the system is across different volatility cycles. Okay, so looking at the overall historical testing performance, it is important to remember that these are historical backtest results only. Performance can vary depending on risk settings, lot size, broker execution quality, spread conditions, slippage, and general market behavior. Overall, Circuit EA is an MT4 expert advisor built around a structured arbitrage-style entry model with filter-based trade selection and fixed risk parameters. As always, it is best to test and optimize the EA yourself before considering any live trading application, so you can evaluate how it performs under your own trading conditions. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications for more valuable trading content. In the meantime, thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.